Hi there, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are doing good. So today we are going to see Redis time series module. So let's get started with today's video. So Redis time series you can use if you want to do anything related to time. Let's say if you want to track on a website that how many pages view are there, so that you can use this time series. So this will all logs basically every time you will increment if any user is coming to your website. So then you can use for temperature sensors as well. You can use e-commerce website also, like how many items sold per minute or per hour, depends on your use case. Then server monitoring also you can use, like CPU usage. So there are multiple use cases that you can use this Redis time series. So these are some basics command that you can use for time series. So create will create a time series. So in that series you can add using add command, and for multiple add you can use add command, and get will get the latest value from a time series, and mget will retrieve multiple time series data. Range is retrieve a range of time series, like between and after you can pass, and pending is get the number of pending entries in a time series. So one simple example that you can see is for temperature tracking. So here ts.create you can use, and temperature is name of the series. So retention, you can see that how long you want to keep that data, and ts add is adding to that particular temperature series multiple 3 items it's going to add to that series. And ts range, you can, first one is fetching all the data, second one is fetching with aggregation average 5 seconds. So this is one basic example that I'll just show you. So second example that I'll be showing you, that per pages view, that how many users have visited that particular page. So let's see. So let me show you module list first. So in module list you can see time series is there and it's loaded also. So now let's get started by creating first series here. So write ts.create, and here let's say page underscore views, that is my series name. Okay, then retention you can pass that for how long that you want to keep that data. So I want to keep it for 1 day. Then you can pass labels type. No, let's say this is for traffic, so you can pass different labels also. So this is for traffic I'm creating. So here now let's write ts dot add. So this is to add in that particular series, so page views. And after that I'm going to pass star, that any current time you take, and then one page view it happened. So after that you can get pages view. So here you can see one entry now is there. So you can add another one or increment this. So add, let's say ts increment by pages view. So let's say increment by 1. So if you will get, so here you can see 2 you have now, the 2 pages view happened. So let's add 2 or 3 more entries so that I can show you range function. So let's say add pages view 6, then get views 6 is added, and let's increment again by, let's say 10. So here you can see now it's 6. So now let me clear, and now write ts range. So here write pages view, and minus is for minimum and plus is for max. So all it will fetch, basically all data will be fetched. So here you can see first 1 I have added, then I have incremented, then I have updated 6 views, and then incremented by 10, so 16. So all 4 like items are present now. So if you want aggregation here, so write aggregation sum, and now let's add the 1 minute. So here 1 minute if I'll add, here you can see 6 and 2 is combined, as in a within a minute it's giving now. So here in a minute 8 per views happened. So in aggregation, so all these functions that I have listed you can use: average, sum, min, max, count, first, so last. You can try these out and see which one works for you and how you want your data to be. So that's all in this video. I hope you like this video. If you have any doubt, then please comment down in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.